to God distinctly to be married to a seaman. A seaman who doesn't only know how to row a boat, but also knows how to maneuver a ship. Indeed, God works in mysterious ways. Pero kung gihapon tumaron ko, ang gihapon ko kapalit kung sakayan. Next, as an individual, you must have this united goal for the family and community. You have your united dream already. What is your goal for your family and community? What do you want to do for your family and community? Kung sa inyo gusto mo ano sa inyong pamilya when you got your dream job? Wala may gusto? Gusto mo pamilya? So what do you want to do for your family? Muta ba? Very good. So how would you like to be a leader? Do you want to become a leader in your community? Would you like to organize youth or mission activities in your community, or would you like to be an advocate for a greener and safe environment? If these things are part of your goals, then I should say we are ready for the so-called Bago Pilipinas. Most often, our contribution to the society actually depends also on the kind of family we have. If our parents raise us with guidance, discipline, and values, then this will stay with us as we grow and will help us function efficiently in our community. This idea is actually supported by a Bible verse from Proverbs 22:6. Training up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. Muna kita mga nanay o tatay, bisan pa man sa presence of technology, we have to make sure that our roles as parents and the young generation will not be replaced by technology. Let us not leave our kids alone exploring it. Ato sila kanunay guide, bisan pa man ugad ko na sila, or bisan pa man mas bright pa sila kaysa natin. My goal for my family even when I was young was very simple. Just to help my parents and siblings. I used to remember how my other siblings helped our mother find a living for our family and studies. Nagdakomi or kung uban na akong maigsoon, ang uban sa akong nari pag-ibon o ginamos, para lang namin pag-ibugas o pag-consumo. Ako nagpakaso ng talang barrio sa St. Bernard. So you have, where you are coming from St. Bernard, bisan ka ng lumbog amo ng bakason sa among nanay. And when we were in high school and college, wala kayo nag-enjoy sa weekend of lahat, kundi ang gamito ng weekend to help our nanay na makalipak ni o ampaw o chicharon sa factory sa ampawan o chicharon sa Minuyo. This is para ang nanay na ay kalibod o ikaugma. Wala may ibon ng chicharon o gapaw ang nanay o binigimang lipat. Bisan weekdays, mating eskwela namo sa high school and college, magabi, makadlaw na nami o uli, kay maglipak kami o chicharon o ampaw, o hindi ka man, mutabog ni o sa pa. Bisan sa ibon na lang sa akong nanay, para makalapos ni sa among pag-eskwela. When I was in high school,